equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. You'll also need a clean workspace to keep your components organized. Start by unplugging your Dyson SV17 from the power source. Safety first. Next, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button and lifting it off. This will give you better access to the motor area. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. If you find this process daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off the motor compartment. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be careful not to damage any clips or connectors. Now, you'll see the motor. Disconnect the wiring harness by gently pulling it away from the motor. Take note of how it's connected, as you'll need to replicate this when installing the new motor. If you're unsure, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Next, remove the motor by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. There are usually 2 screws securing the motor. Once these are out, carefully lift the motor out of the compartment. Before installing the new motor, take a moment to clean the internal area of the vacuum. Use a soft brush or a cloth to remove any dust and debris. This will help improve the performance of your vacuum. If you prefer, we can handle the cleaning for you with our pickup and delivery at your home service. No calls, no travel, just convenience. Now, take your new motor and place it into the compartment. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Reconnect the wiring harness, ensuring it clicks into place just like the original. Once everything is secured, replace the cover of the motor compartment. Make sure it fits snugly and that all clips are engaged. Reinsert the screws at the base of the vacuum to hold the cover in place. Finally, reattach the dust canister. Plug your Dyson SV17 back in and give it a test run. If it's working smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the motor. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. Remember, we are here to help with any repairs you might need, ensuring you have a fully functional vacuum once again. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.